Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand revolves around understanding and modifying a piece of code that uses the curly operator in R. Our goal is to take a function that calculates the mean of a variable grouped by a single factor and extend it to include an additional factor for grouping. The challenge lies in comprehending how the curly operator works within the context of the code and making the necessary adjustments to meet our requirements. And that, my friends, is the essence of our problem. Now, onto the solution. The key to resolving our dilemma lies in leveraging the power of the pick function in dplyr. By rewriting our grouping logic using pick, we can pass multiple variables to the group underscore by function seamlessly. This modification allows us to enhance our function to group the data by not just one, but multiple factors, enabling us to calculate the mean based on this extended grouping. With the provided code snippet and a sprinkle of our magic, we've successfully overcome the challenge at hand. And that, my friends, is the heart of our solution. In conclusion, we've successfully navigated the complexities of working with a curly operator in R and expanded our function to handle multiple grouping factors with finesse. By harnessing the functionality of pick and dplyr, we've unlocked a whole new level of flexibility and efficiency in our data processing pipeline. I hope you found this journey through code modification both enlightening and empowering. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below. Keep coding, stay curious, and until next time, happy programming.